Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Snapchat fan who's always on the go, you're going to love the new Snapchat for web in 2025. This update makes it super easy to access all your snaps, stories, and chats right from your computer browser, saving you time and battery life on your phone. Let's dive right in and walk through the basics step by step. First things first, to get started, open your favorite web browser like Chrome or Edge and head over to the official Snapchat website. Look for the For Web option. It's usually right on the homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Snapchat username and password. Don't worry if you're new. Just click on the sign up link if you haven't created an account yet. Pro tip: make sure your account is linked to your phone for seamless access. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard. On the left side, you'll find your chats and stories, just like the mobile app. To send a snap, simply click the camera icon in the center. You can upload photos or videos from your computer files, add fun filters, text, or stickers. Snapchat's new 2025 AI features even suggest emojis based on your content. It's that simple. Next, navigating stories is a breeze. Just scroll through the stories feed at the top and click to watch. You can react with emojis or reply directly from your keyboard. One cool new feature in 2025 is the integrated search bar, which lets you find friends, memories, or even public stories faster than ever. If you're collaborating on projects, try the web-exclusive group chat tools for sharing screens or files. Remember, while Snapchat for web is awesome, always prioritize your privacy. Use it on a secure network and log out when you're done. This version is optimized for desktops, so if you're on a tablet, it might not work as smoothly. Stick to the app for mobile devices. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to mastering Snapchat for web in 2025. It's perfect for multitasking or when you're away from your phone. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.